Welcome back to MotoVerge, the place where passion meets speed and where we bring you the most exciting updates from the world of motorcycles. If you love bikes that make your heart race, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into something that has already set the motorcycle community on fire, the Aprilia 660 Factory 2026. And trust me, you don't want to miss a second, because if you skip this video, you'll miss out on valuable information that every rider and every dreamer needs to hear. Now, before we get into the full story, let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at a motorcycle and felt like it wasn't just a machine, but a living, breathing companion? That's what Aprilia has achieved here. The RS660 Factory 2026 isn't just a sport bike, it's an emotional experience wrapped in speed, precision, and Italian artistry. And yet, there's something hidden about this bike that only a few know, something that could change how we think about middleweight sport bikes forever. Stick with me until the end, because that secret is coming. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the RS660 Factory 2026 looks like it has come straight out of a futuristic racing movie. The lines are sharper, the curves more aggressive, and the stance more commanding. Aprilia hasn't just redesigned a bike, they've sculpted a predator. The aerodynamic winglets now blend seamlessly into the bodywork, not only adding downforce but also giving the bike a menacing presence on the road. It's beautiful, yes, but it's also intimidating. Imagine pulling up to a stoplight with this beast beside you. Heads will turn, jaws will drop, and hearts will pound. But design is only the beginning. Beneath that sleek fairing lies a 660cc parallel twin engine that has been tuned for more power, more torque, and more emotion. Aprilia claims the factory edition pushes the limits of what a middleweight engine can deliver, and from the early tests, it feels like riding a machine that knows exactly what you want before you even touch the throttle. The exhaust note has been re-engineered to sing with a deeper growl, one that makes your spine tingle and your neighbors jealous. It's not just a sound, it's a promise of what's to come every time you twist your wrist. Handling. Well, here's where it gets even more interesting. Aprilia has equipped the RS660 Factory 2026 with advanced electronic suspension, giving you the ability to fine-tune your ride whether you're carving mountain roads, hitting the track, or just cruising through the city. It adapts, it responds, it anticipates. And it makes you wonder, if machines can adapt this well, where do we draw the line between rider and bike? Or maybe, just maybe, there is no line anymore. Now, here's something that many people don't know yet. Aprilia has hidden a feature inside the RS660 Factory 2026 that could set a new standard in this class. It's a riding mode that combines AI-driven adjustments with data from your previous rides. That means the bike literally learns how you ride, remembers your style, and evolves with you. Imagine that, a bike that doesn't just follow you, but grows with you. If you missed this part, you've missed one of the most valuable secrets in the world of sport bikes. And yet, the suspense doesn't end there. Because while Aprilia has given us performance, style, and technology, they've also given us a message. The RS660 Factory 2026 is not about being the biggest or the fastest in numbers. It's about connection. Connection between rider and machine, between passion and freedom, between the dream of speed and the reality of control. This is a bike that makes you feel alive, and sometimes, that's more important than any horsepower figure or top speed number. But wait, before you think you've heard it all, there's one more thing you must know. Aprilia has hinted at a limited production run of the first editions of the RS660 Factory 2026. That means if you blink, if you hesitate, if you think you can wait, you might lose the chance to own a piece of history. That suspense you're feeling right now, that's exactly what Aprilia wants. They don't just want you to ride, they want you to dream, to chase, to desire. So, ask yourself, is the RS660 Factory 2026 just another sport bike, or is it the future of riding itself? Maybe the answer is both. And if you've stayed until now, you've unlocked the full truth behind this masterpiece. If you skipped, well, you already know what you missed. This was MotoVerge, where the road never ends and the passion never fades. Stay tuned, because the world of motorcycles is about to change again, and you'll hear it here first.